Hi, my name is Ashley Ferguson, and I'm an SDC kindergarten teacher, also first grade. Um, what I began doing this year was trying to improve behavior and routine because I was getting new kindergartens into my classroom, and this would be their first time in such a large setting, having K through fifth gen ed, not just preschoolers. So I want to hone in on routine and behavior. So what I did in the beginning of the year was write my write my schedule on the board from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Um, and I also wrote out like who was going to speech and those types of things. Um, my speech therapist was super helpful, and she gave me a whole body listening rule calendar. So those were the rules for the days, and it kind of had visual cues to help model how they should be sitting in the classroom and at all times of the day. It worked really well that we began doing a 10 chart, sticker chart. It kind of was shaped as a 10 frame. That was also helpful because it incorporated academics so that they were able to count from 1 to 10 and to see what 10 looked like using stickers. I started to notice most of my students liked it, but weren't really picking it up on like how that system worked for rewards. And so in the middle of the year, I decided to do something different, which was $12. So for students who were sitting well and doing the whole body listening, they were able to earn dollars. But I also needed to help them meet their IEP goals. So what I did was, I'm doing my so what I did, so what I did was use the room $12 to incorporate learning their sight words. And that was very helpful. They were able to go beyond my goal of just having them know 15 words for the year. They went and exceeded to 30, which was the amount that they were supposed to know for the year. And I use incentives like having parties. So the main goal was to learn 15 words for the year, and we would have a party, and they went way above what I expected them to do and did 30, and so we had a massive party. And they needed to learn the words. They were like, I need to earn all this money, I need to do this. So they really were very happy about earning room $12. Also, to get when they have room $12, they're able to use things that they're not allowed to use throughout the day. So, for example, they're able to use Legos, Magnetiles, computers, iPads, because in the beginning of the year, they didn't know I had computer and they didn't know I had iPads. So, being able to earn these dollars to play things that they prefer, that just helped them, with the routine of the day, whole body listening, and other academic goals. Now I have room $12 to give out for when we do things like journal drawing or when we do math. And so, like, if students do really well on their work and take their time and follow the directions, then they can earn a max amount of a dollar. So, for on my schedule, I have the amount of dollars that they can earn. For example, on my schedule, I have journal drawing. So if you do really well in journal drawing, it'll say $4. But if you didn't do too well, but you did it, you probably can earn $2. So I also told them the maximum amount of money that they can earn for the day, which is probably like $15 for the day. And so some people also are learning like, well, I want to save my dollars so I can do something super big for the end of the day, or maybe I won't do something big like play on computers, but instead I'll do something small like play with Legos. Or some of them are not understanding. So something that I want to do next year is that if you paid me to do Legos, when you want to do computers, you have to repay me again to do computers so that they can understand the concept of spending their money, and that way they can understand what budgeting is without even know that that's what they're doing. So my main goal this year was to create fun ways and creative ways to meet my goals and also their goals. And many of my students have behavior goals, and they not only did they meet their goals, some of them no longer meet certain behavior goals that they had this year. and they've met some of the site work goals, or maybe they didn't have those goals, and so they exceeded some of the goals that they didn't even have that I had. Now I implement for upcoming goals that they have, like writing sentences and things like that. So that was what I wanted to do, and that's what I did, and I'm very excited. So for next year, I'm just going to up the ante with my room $12. I'm going to probably buy more new toys. And just show them that how to budget, and also like the importance of counting, the importance of money, and how that benefits in the real world. And so that's something that I want to do. So next year I want to incorporate more real world goals to their goals, so that they can be the best that they can be. Thank you for watching.